What is circular economy? Imagine a world where nothing is wasted, where products are designed not to be thrown away, but to be reused, repaired, and reborn into something new. This idea is not science fiction. It's called the circular economy, and it's rapidly reshaping how we think about production, consumption, and sustainability. So, what exactly is a circular economy? To understand it, we first need to look at the system most of the world currently uses, the linear economy. In a linear model, we take resources from the earth, turn them into products, use them for a short time, and then throw them away. This take, make, waste approach has fueled economic growth for decades, but it comes at a high cost: resource depletion, pollution, overflowing landfills, and climate change. The circular economy offers a powerful alternative. Instead of ending a product's life at disposal, the circular model keeps materials in use for as long as possible. Products are designed to last longer, to be repaired instead of replaced, and eventually to be recycled into new materials. Waste is no longer seen as garbage, but as a valuable resource. At its core, the circular economy is built on three key principles. First, design out waste and pollution from the very beginning. Second, keep products and materials in continuous use through reuse, refurbishment, and recycling. And third, regenerate natural systems rather than exploiting them. This approach can be seen in many real-world examples. Companies now design smartphones that are easier to repair, clothing brands turn old fabrics into new garments, and food waste is transformed into energy or fertilizer. Even cities are adopting circular strategies by reusing construction materials and reducing water and energy waste. But the circular economy isn't just about protecting the planet. It also makes economic sense. It reduces dependency on raw materials, lowers production costs, encourages innovation, and creates new jobs in recycling, repair, and sustainable design. In a world facing climate crises, resource shortages, and environmental damage, the circular economy represents a shift from short-term consumption to long-term thinking. It challenges us to rethink how we design, use, and value everything around us. The future economy may not be about owning more, but about using smarter, wasting less, and building systems that never truly end.